Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna have like a little short video compared to what I normally do. It's a little chilly out here in Texas now. Not as chilly as I'm sure most of you guys get in those upper states, but I think today we're in the 40s. Tonight it's supposed to get, and the low tonight is 28, so it's supposed to freeze tonight. So today I'm just gonna go get some stuff, so tonight I can just chillax and not worry about anything tomorrow. Today I have a question for you guys, and that's what we're gonna be discussing on this ride. So let me go ahead and get out of this this road and get on the highway, and then we'll get to talking. Alright guys, so we're here on the expressway. I was expecting traffic to not be this bad. I also don't know what I expect at 4 o'clock on a Monday in the middle of downtown Austin. So anyways, today, like I said previously, I have a question for you guys. And the question is, maybe it's a two-part question, or it is a two-part question, is a motorcycle, or can a motorcycle be a everyday vehicle? As in, can you go get groceries in it? Can you go run errands in it? Can you, can you go to your 9-to-5 office job in it? I will start by saying that for me, it definitely can be. I do have a truck. I don't know if I've actually mentioned it here before, but I know I've had it in my bio on Instagram and stuff. I have a 2002 Chevy Tahoe, and that was my everyday vehicle for a while, especially before I got the motorcycle. However, it has 283,000 miles on it, and then it's still running strong. I have no check engine lights. Occasionally I will get one, just something minor. I don't have any catalytic converters on it because I added a catless headers on it, so that's something I get that notification every now and then that I need catalytic converters. However, for me, I would not be phased or worried if my truck were to go out, because I have this bike that I can do everything I need to do in it. The only thing is passengers. Obviously, with my truck, with especially a Tahoe, you can fit a lot of passengers. Obviously, on a motorcycle, you can only fit one. My girlfriend does not feel comfortable riding ever since my accident, which I don't blame her. It's totally understandable. So yeah, for me, I can go get groceries in this. I have gone to get groceries in it a few months ago. My actually blew the transmission on my bike, or on my, a few months ago I actually blew the transmission in my truck. And when that happened, the bike was the only vehicle I had, so I had to go get groceries in here. I went out to go get Whataburger on this thing, fast food, McDonald's. I went to work, I came to school. I did lots of stuff on the bike, and for me, I could do it. Obviously, I just couldn't have a passenger with me, or I could, but not the passenger I wanted, right? So for me, it could definitely be an everyday vehicle. Now, the second part of my question is, at what point in this time of year with the cold weather do you guys put a hold on riding? Like, at what point is it too cold for you to ride? I know for me, this is barely my second winter with the bike, but last winter I was riding the entire winter. I was riding, and I don't think it got below 25 degrees here, 25 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't think it got below that, but I was completely fine with riding. I did have, I went to Cycle Gear, and I got the base layers, the warmth base layers, or I forgot what they're called, and those are just the windproof heated gear. I have the glove liners on right now because my hands do get really cold. And so I used those last year. I had the jacket and the long johns that go under your pants, and then the glove liners. I also bought the balaclava. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you know, that little head thing that has the, like, you could tuck in the neck part, so that the neck gaiter part. I also have one of those. I didn't use that much because the jacket was able to zip up and cover up my neck. So for that, I mean, I was totally comfortable riding, but I do know, like, up north y'all get a little colder than that. It also doesn't snow here, so that's, I'm sure, a big issue for a lot of y'all. So I'm interested in the comment section on what you guys what's y'all's thought on those two questions. Do you guys ride year-round no matter the weather, no matter snow, rain? I ride in the rain. That's also something else that, you know, a lot of people don't feel comfortable doing. For me, I'm totally down with that. This whole weekend it was raining and I rode all weekend. So yeah, go ahead and leave a comment. I'm interested in hearing what you guys have to say and what y'all's perspectives are on it. And I'm also interested in what regions of, well, the world y'all are in, because I know there's a lot of y'all from Australia, and I think in one of my videos the analytics said a lot of y'all were from Taiwan and Japan and stuff. So I'm interested in hearing yeah, what it's like for you guys, if you guys ride year round and everything. Perfect timing, because I just got here to PetSmart. So I'll talk to you guys later. Y'all stay safe, ride on, have a good one.